Well, alright friends, subscribers, and unknown strangers. What's up? Bearded Picker here with you. This is a different video. You know, I try to show you guys everything I buy. Good, bad, embarrassing, whatever. You know, I've sold enough butt pads to soak up a river. So, well, this time it was a speedo. So I've decided that the world needs to see the bearded picker in a speedo. Alright, so while y'all have been watching the intro, I had to go get some liquid courage, right? It's not every day that you can just get on front of a camera and put this out for the entire world to see. A big bearded dude in a speedo, but I know you guys have tuned into this, so I'll take a couple more swallows of this. And we'll make this happen, right? We'll make this happen. All right, for your viewing pleasure or displeasure, whichever one it is, here we go. All right, so it makes me feel like I'm Chinese. I don't think it really fits. Do they make bigger sizes in Speedos? Did you tune in to see me in one of them little crotch things? Even my wife doesn't want to see that. This is the free spirit speedo from the yard sales. Hope you enjoyed the comedy stylings of the great bearded one. Due to YouTubery, I appreciate you. We'll see you with a serious video shortly. Roll Tide. Ole Miss, you got yours today. Next up, A&M baby. Roll Tide. Bearded Picker out.